how to find add topics settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find add topics settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and click settings and privacy, and then click settings and just go down until you find this one, add preferences. Click on it and then click add topics here, and as you see here you can manage add topics, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.